I'm so excited to be back and I hope everyone is doing good. This video is going to show you the healthiest way to preserve fresh pineapples for the longest. No preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup added, all natural. To get started, add some salt in a clean water, cover and allow the water to come to a boil. I've got 4 fresh sweet pineapples I'll be preserving today. Actually, the pineapples were 5, but I ate one already. And I was like, why not use this remaining 4 to show how to preserve pineapples? Just in case you stay in a country where pineapples are seasonal, when you buy them in bulk, you can use this method to preserve yours as well. So we are going to start by nicely washing the pineapples. Please don't use any hard detergent to wash your fruit and vegetables. You can just add salt or vinegar into the water and wash nicely. But I did not add any of that in today's video. I'm just going to scrub them nicely with my palm. You can also use your kitchen brush to brush them very well and you are good to go. So wash until you are done washing all the pineapples that you want to preserve. After washing, peel the pineapples and cut them according to your desired shapes and sizes. These pineapples are so juicy and succulent. I can't afford to let them spoil. And let me know in the comment section, how do you spot a good juicy pineapple? Is it just me or does someone feel the same way? Can you resist eating 1 or 2 juicy pineapples when cutting them? Like, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. So here are all the pineapples I'm still eating behind the camera. So I cut them into cubes. So these are the pineapple cores. These parts are a bit harder. And one good thing about pineapple is that every part are very important. So I'm going to juice the cores and set them aside for later use. Pour the hot water in a jar or in an airtight container. Allow to sterilize for 3 to 5 minutes, and also remember to sterilize the lid as well. After 5 minutes, wash them properly. Next, add the pineapples into the sterilized jar or container. Pour the juice into the pineapples. The juice will be the active syrup for these preserved pineapples. No extra sweetener added. This is far better than the preserved store-bought. You don't need to worry about high fructose corn syrup, which you all know have some negative effects on the body that can lead to obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and so on. After adding them, cover it very well, like make sure it is properly sealed pop it into the fridge, and this can last for 5 to 8 months. But you can also put this in the freezer, and this will last for a year. And I hope this was helpful. See you all on my next one.